Misfits? Welcome to the Misfit Heroes podcast. My name is Chris, and together we are going on a journey. All right, I was asked to come up with 5 things that I wish I knew before I started podcasting. Now, there's really about 300, but they specifically asked for 5. So let's see if I can whittle this thing down to size a little bit. Misfits, these are the 5 things I wish I knew before starting this podcasting journey.
Playing the Misfit Heroes podcast.
Number 1, first, I would say believe in yourself. I know that sounds like a poster on your guidance counselor's office wall in high school, but it is key to every single success that I've had. So many people get so caught up in what they might not be able to do that they never end up finding out what they can accomplish, and they never even get started. When I first got started doing this, my podcasts were a clunky, silly mess. We talked about everything from bacon-based clothing to ice cream commercials prepared by horror movie directors. I had to come into creating the format and topics of the show, and it came with time and I got better, but you've got to start somewhere. I see too many people focus on what equipment to buy or what service to use or how to do editing the right way. And don't even get me started on audio quality. Who cares how good it sounds if no one wants to listen to it? Do the thing, enjoy it, and keep moving forward. Number 2, allow yourself to engage as a student, not as a teacher. Too often, we think we're supposed to have all the answers figured out. And if I had all the answers, there wouldn't be a need for my show. My favorite part of the show is learning how people get to where they are, and that most of them are still growing up just as well as I am. Being humble and allowing others to let their expertise shine has helped me rise to new levels that I never would have thought for myself. Number 3, don't try to impress anyone but yourself. Make a product that you would want to use, or in my case, listen to. I am genuinely interested in what the guests that I have on have to say. And I'm amazed that people are even interested in listening to the show because I'm literally just talking to people about their lives. But I find my guests overly fascinating. Also, creating and claiming a platform is something that takes a lot of courage that people don't recognize when they're getting started. Nobody tells you this stuff, you know what I mean? So let's be real. Imposter syndrome is a thing, and it can wear on you if you let it. If you're happy with yourself, then what happens next is up to you. Number 4, stop comparing yourself. You are you, they are them. In this age of likes and engagement, competition and community, what's most important is that you do the best that you can do. Maximum effort leads to maximum results. Constantly be improving. Put yourself around people that want you to grow just as much as you want them to. Now, ironically, podcasting is an amazing field where most people want the idea of podcasting in itself to succeed, and that leads to very little actual competition. I've met so many people that are just happy to help, and I think we need more of that. Finally, number 5, have faith in the process. I start every episode with "Together we are going on a journey," and that's just what it is. This is a marathon, not a sprint. And I've met so many people that want to be the next X, Y, or Z thing. Don't worry about that. Focus on being the next you. You 2.0 or 3.0 or whatever. The journey is the fun part, not the destination. So enjoy the ride. Misfits, that's all I've got for you this week. I want to give a special shout out to the folks over at Authority Magazine and BuzzFeed for asking me to do this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And until next time, be kind, love one another, be a hero.